Hi guys, yes, I'm back again, 2 days in a row with the second video, this time showing off the final work of my sword. So, I struggled a lot with trying to figure out the technique, and especially because I was doing it by myself, but you know what? It may look dodgy as fuck, but it's done. My sword is done, and I am super happy with how it turned out. Well, not super happy, but impressed that I was able to accomplish this in under 2 weeks. And now my next task will be to be working on my wig, which I will start sometime in the next couple of days. Daunting, never started a week before, but not properly, so this will be my first go at this, so yes, it's great. Pants are crumpled up there because, yeah, but yeah. With that, guys, I hope everyone's excited for me, because I know I'm excited for you. But yes, and that's a box of all my stuff from my painting and sanding and everything just stashed in there. So, yeah, that'll be taken up to my room. But yeah, stay tuned as I Star Wars this week. It's mainly just parting out the hair, getting the bangs, the like long bits the right length, and getting the fringe sorted and figuring out that ponytail clip. I'm gonna have to do like a bow to go around the ponytail, but that's all good. That's something to figure out for later. So yeah, stay tuned for more.